Guys, welcome to SirMalo Performance. If you guys are watching this video, it's because I'm just removing the starter. And that's what this video's intent is for, just to remove it, not installing anything new. I'm just moving it out of the way because I'm doing a long tube header install. So what I'm first doing here is removing the heat shield bolts. These are 13mm. I'm just showing you guys this process because I was looking it up on YouTube, and there is people that are, doing starter removals on these, but they're for the V6 or the all-wheel drive. I personally couldn't find the SRT8. So that's the shield. So you can unhook, and then back there just latches off. That way we have a more better view of the starter. So let's move that out of the way. First time I remove the starter on this SRT8, so it's the original starter. What I'll be using is my impact gun with a 15mm and a joint swivel. Just make sure it's fully mounted. Let me try to tell you guys a little bit more back. Alright, cool. Alright, so removing the starter here. It looks like it is just these 3 bolts. I'm really hoping, right? Like I said, I was looking on YouTube, couldn't really find anything. So this is just me removing the starter on a 6.1 liter 300C SRT8. And always be sure to remove your battery before you take out a starter, or just working on your car in general. Always disconnect the battery. Let's remove it for funsies. Let's say 12mm. Alright, so just that one. Looks like we have a connector on this side. Oh, push down on the pin, slides out. Chances are you'll break it because it's frail. The temperatures down here are extremely hot. The nuts, the heat shield, the starter. That's how you remove the starter on 2006 Chrysler 300C SRT8 edition, 6.1 liter. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.